Alright guys, so today is going to be a very big day, kind of important, kind of special too at the same time. So we just surpassed a little bit over 1,000 miles of owning the Miata, so we got to do another oil change, take out the cleaner oil and put in some Mobil 1 full synthetic. Then we got to throw our sponsor sticker on. It's the Japanese muscle. I'll link them down below if you guys want to check them out. Go hit them up and go buy yourself some stickers, and if you got some JDM whips, throw it on there. But anyway, get out there, start doing those however many things. Alright guys, so before we get into whatever we're gonna do, we're gonna install this Japanese muscle banner on the wing of the Miata, and I think it should look pretty cool. It'll contrast really nice. We're gonna install this on the Miata's wing and then get into whatever we're gonna do. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, it does not look centered, but this side here is a lot shorter than that side. Alright guys, so the oil is completely changed out, so we're gonna get into today's video, and that is going to be changing out that shifter boot. And we're going to start working on the interior and start making it black now that we're completely covered. So we're going to change this out to this black and red stitching right here. So this is going to go along with our black interior that we're going to do in the car. So this is the start of it all. So let's get these two switched out. Alright guys, so the interior is pretty much taped off for the carpet to be sprayed, so everything is ripped out as of right now. And the only bad thing I see as of right now is my top is starting to mold, so we're gonna have to clean that up, paint the carpet, and be done with this very, very time consuming process of changing the interior color on the Miata. Alright guys, so this black interior is looking pretty good. On camera it's still it looks a little blotchy, but in person it's pretty black. I still got these plastics to paint up, and yeah, and then we'll be done with all the plastics, and then we're gonna wait for the seats to dry because they are turning black. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit when they're completely done. I'll just kind of give you guys a rundown, but everything back here looks alright. Maybe I could use some more paint, but it's alright for now. Alright guys, so the dashboard is pretty much done. So we're going to take this off and hopefully it looks as good as I hope. Gotta put a few things back together, and then this thing will be almost completely done. Got a few things more to paint, but overall I think it looks pretty good, except for that a paint can exploded next to that. But anyway, everything looks really, really good. Alright guys, Miata's got some drip on it now. So now we gotta take these seats out, which is gonna be kind of a pain, but yeah, I did start it, so let's just take these out already. Alright guys, so this is how we are going to set this chair up. It's going to lay this Alcantara, just spray adhesive it on, kind of make the seat look a lot better. So it'll go really well with this Porsche black to make it really like a Porsche, you know what I'm saying, right? But anyway, let's lay this on. Alright guys, so from outside of the car it looks pretty good, for the top piece at least, but this bottom piece isn't looking so bright. I mean, it'll do its job, but I don't know if I want to do to this chair. I think I might just paint it black, call it good, because I think it looks a lot cleaner that way. Alright guys, so it's a little bit dark in here, but everything in here is black. And yeah, everything is looking really good. Everything's black in here, so I'm really excited about that. I mean, it's safe to say that we are done for the interior for now, but I definitely do want to get some Recaros in here, or Sparkos, or Brides, or whatever I find. I think it would be really nice for the street setup I want to go with the car. But other than that, the black interior looks really good. I can't say I haven't seen a Miata with black interior, but I think it looks really good for a change. I mean, all tan to black. I mean, it looks really good. But that is all I have for you guys today. It was a week-long process doing all this, so if you guys have all the stuff, it should take about 2 days at most. If you guys aren't busy with other stuff like I am with school and everything else that I am doing. So, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video with whatever we're going to do to the Miata. But until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. But once we hit 150 subscribers, we'll do a hood exit exhaust on the Honda. But until the next video, I'll catch you guys then.